Hey, y'all, it's the Digital Shaman, and let's jump right on in. Today, we're going to do a reading looking at all of our investments. This is a little bit deeper than crypto tarot. And right now, just to give y'all a real quick glimpse into the astrology. Actually, you know what, while we talk about the astrology, let's go ahead and shuffle the cards. So, we got a lot of heavy Sagittarius energy in the air, which can make us act kind of folly and quick on our feet without thinking things through, along with the fact that Mars in Gemini is in retrograde. So Gemini is, first of all, there is an opposition there, with the Sun in Sag, Moon, Mercury, at the time of recording this, because the Moon moves quick, and Venus. They We're not quite opposing them in terms of degree, and when I say opposing, that's the Mars and Gemini. But at some point down the road, we are going to have a lot of push and pull. But with Mars and retrograde in Gemini, that means that our thinking mind is a little bit slower than normal. But what we have going for us is, again, more of like, this is almost like blinding luck with the Jupiter in Pisces, because that's just a lot of inebriation, in my opinion. And, I would say more of luck that we're looking for, which is let's pick some winners, is that using that Sagittarius arrow to hit the sky. So with that being said, let's jump right on into, you know what? I just pulled cards. This is going to be a vibe check. Let me see what's going on with y'all, and then we're going to take a look at how we should move forward with some of our investments and overall strategy. So we see some stress, 3 of Wands. This person is so stressed that they're not even depicted. I forgot to say I'm using I think this is the Everyday Witch Tarot. Took a little break from the Rider-Waite. So we got 6 of Wands, 3 of Swords. And then that's the thing. I know traditionally in the Rider-Waite, there's no person depicted. But the fun of using different decks is, looking at the art and making comments. So we have we have people depicted in every card except for the 3 of Swords. So I feel like the fact that the person is missing and all you see is the heartbreak, this lets me know that right now y'all are super detached. Like, y'all are not willing to look at something that's breaking your heart. Yeah, look at the ink spilling in the bed, like, and then the closed journal. I'm hearing some of y'all might need to do some therapy, some thought download work, some mindfulness. 10 of Swords again, grasping it like let me see the break. Okay, hold on. Yeah, first of all, we got some swords, so that's a mental stress going on. 10 of Swords is definitely overcoming and potentially even going through drama, which can be dwindling. 7 of Swords, same thing, changing. Yeah, even wondering, like, y'all really going through something. But what is confusing me, because I see a story of stress here. I feel like y'all went in one direction, just y'all thought was going to be fruitful, and it did not turn out that way. But again, that knowledge is there to know where you need to go. But now you're so scared. You're so jammed up here. 3 of Swords. You can't. And now I feel like that spilled ink is not getting the plan together. And the closed journals, not willing to get back out and use your now. You know how to think your way out of this. Whatever it is that's bothering y'all, I'm not picking up until the yet on what it is. But whatever it is that's bothering you all, you can use your mind to get out of it. I think that y'all still feeling pinned down, like literally. Sometimes the cards are little. Y'all are still feeling pinned down to the problem, which is why y'all can't stretch. You see, like, literally, like, I can't. I'm pinching the zoom. Y'all can't see me, but I'm pinching the zoom because I really want to pinch the zoom in on how fact that this lady is trying to reach the broom and can't, because she's pinned down. So I say this to say lift, because this is a 10. 10 is a 1 and a 0. It's an ending and a beginning. That's why the sun is coming up on the horizon. You have to almost wiggle yourself out of the swords on your back. Wiggle your way out of the problem so that you can grab that broom, sweep, like, it's funny I'm using the Everyday Witch, sweep it away with the broom, use the knowledge you have. And now this is where the 6 of Wands comes in. There will be a celebration. I think that spirit, now intuition is just like online. Spirit says y'all are sitting on what y'all need to do. And y'all needed the confidence. Y'all need to believe in yourself. I was reading this as a victory, but no, this is y'all need to believe in yourself, and then the victory would come. And that's why I said, ooh, my intuition came online. You see how like the people in the background are shadowy? That's all y'all God supporting y'all. Mainly more ancestors than gods in this case. Wow, this is like crazy eerie. Good deal. And that's this. I forgot we got Jupiter and Pisces and Sag. That's that fire. Fire can be very intuitive. Don't sleep on that as an intuitive element. So now we're going to, like I said, we're opening this up. Normally we're all about crypto here, but this is a general reading for just all of our finances. And before I do that, let's go back up here to a little bit about you all. What do I need to know about whoever's drawn to this video? What is going on with y'all? What is your current financial story? Workers. I got my workers. Ooh, card not revealed. I don't even. This Eight of Pentacles got me tongue tied. Oh, truly workaholics. To the point you don't sleep at night. Stressed over your job, workaholics. Stressed over what am I going to invest on? How am I going to make all this money? Because this is coins, literally. And look at the etching on the bottom. Y'all have coins. Oh, so y'all busting at the gills trying to figure out what to do. I think that's a perfect segue into... I'm just going to pull cards on what Spirit tells me maybe the overall investment strategy should be. And then, depending on how this goes, we'll like maybe do a quick card pull on like real estate, traditional stock, equities, crypto, maybe businesses. Like if you want to be an angel investor, starting your own business, we'll take a look at different opportunities the different income streams of the modern day economy. And see, what you all match up with, what resonates with you. So King of Wands, Queen of Swords. Oh my God, like y'all are funny. Definitely mental up here. I feel like this card should be literally going to be on the top of the reading because y'all like to use your mind. But y'all are pensive. The same thing with that Nine of Swords we got in the back, pensive. Because Four of Pentacles, I have money. Look at the coin spilling out of look at the coin spilling out of the luggage there. Yeah, he's like, okay, I have money, but let's go this way. Queen of Swords is the truth teller, so she's gonna go straight. Once y'all go straight to the heart of the matter, then you move so quick. It's almost like y'all have two different sides of an investor. People are like, oh, you never spend money or you play it so safe. But then y'all have those innate moments of something catches fire and you go and invest. And it catches fire with you mentally first. Yeah, it has. If it doesn't call in your mind, it's not going to be a go. But definitely, all right, I'm sorry, I'm into this story now. Why the pensiveness with the Four of Pentacles? Y'all really like y'all money. And some of y'all, do y'all think that investing is folly? Yeah, y'all not willing to look at, oh my gosh, y'all are penny pinchers. Look at this lady with the bag of money in her hand. This is the Eight of Cups. This is emotion. Oh, emotional. It's hard. No, I mean, seriously, I'm not laughing. I'm laughing sometimes when the cards are so literal. But no, this is serious because now I'm picking up on the serious tone with all this mental anguish. It's poverty consciousness. You're afraid. You're afraid to make mistakes. You're afraid. I feel like this may be investments going poof up in smoke. There's worry there. Okay, now we gotta go into a healing. We go into a healing. What can we do to heal this mindset? Again, Jupiter and Pisces. I need those guys talking. Because there's a lot of money to be like. Let's move this around. Yeah, King of Pentacles. Yeah, y'all have. And I mean, that's the thing. I think some of y'all also feel like I've invested enough. I bought enough. I do my 401k at work. I have a house. That bull... Like, trust me, and I'm not saying this in vain because I'm a vegan. That bull is, first of all, the bull is the money symbol. The bull sits in front of the stock market. That bull, and I mean, I really, the health conscious person in me hates saying this, but I gotta go with my analogy. You want your cake to eat it too, but in the background, you got that big bull that can be ripe for some steaks. Oh my God, forgive me. But I'm saying that in the analogy, again, y'all have the bandwidth to invest. It's all emotional. And Eight of Cups is when you're ready to walk towards taking that bag in your hand and literally quadrupling it. It's a big, I lost my train of thought. It takes a lot of emotional agility to turn away from what was bothering you and take this journey going somewhere else. Eight of Cups. I'm not even reading the cards. Turning point. But I brought up the steak analogy because it's like, again, you think you have enough and you think you have it all, but you can have more. That's what the guys are saying. Let me pull these bottom cards. The guys are saying y'all can have more, but y'all gotta. Look at all these guys coming out. Judgment, strength, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, y'all can have it. Y'all have the tools. That goes back to, man, look at all those bulls and the cows in the background. Yes, it can happen. Yeah, we'll pick some investments because I'm still really feeling like very timidness. Maybe some of you all have had some mistakes in the past, like, oh, I invested in my friend's company, or I tried a tech company and it went out of business, or even I'm not just saying Enron, like or the real estate crash. You guys need to forgive yourselves. Make a new melody. Stop singing that same old song. Forgive yourself. Move on. Queen of Wands, she's holding those flowers because she's now more wiser. Some of y'all are going to find that y'all had the passion. Y'all didn't realize that y'all even had the passion for getting into investments or doubling your money or being smarter with your money, and y'all going to find enjoyment. That's a phoenix. I look at that dragon-like figure as a phoenix. That's a Scorpio symbol. Scorpio symbol is all about other people's money. What is investments? Other people's money. The company paying you dividends because you pick stocks that support them. And he's smug. Strength card. You'll gentle yourself in terms of those wounds of poverty consciousness and whatever mistakes you're harboring. This is the guides. Like, look, I'm reading this here. If this card appears in a reading, you have inner strength. Yes, you can. It's a gentleness. You have the magic in your hand. You have the tools to heal. All right, we're going to wind this down. Guys wanted to come back out and say heal. So I feel like this pentacle was literally saying, what do these guys need to invest in? Let's just do round robin. Real estate may not be the best. I think that two doors literally is going to be too hard for you all to pick, and it's still in some cases can be a very cost not inhibited. There's a big entry cost. I think, I don't know, indecision's coming up, so maybe not real estate. Traditional stocks. Sorry, I pulled before I even traditional stocks. Let me look at oh, he's carrying like the people across. Because of the pensive minds coming back up. So no to stock picking, but let's look at index funds. Chariot, go towards that. Look, oh my God. This way, that way. Listen to y'all guides. Run with that. Definitely y'all are index fund folks. Wow, that's hilarious. What's another investment vehicle? We said real estate, stock picking. Real estate and stock picking was a no. Index fund was a yes. All right, let's look at crypto. Oh, that might be actually good. Oh, because they can use their mind to learn about new technologies. And yeah, star cards Aquarius. Okay, y'all like the technology with that. And I mean, clearly, if y'all here drawn to this reading, well, my channel is Crypto Tarot, there's some love there. Oh, that's to say maybe overall. Oh, business entrepreneurship for money making. Stranger things have happened. And maybe oh yeah, maybe emotionally soothing. Since that's a major, let's give me one more. One more. Four wands. Oh yeah, you can do it from home. And you might have other friends into it that y'all didn't know about. Go for it. Okay, we're gonna ask some spirit for one last message. But this was a pretty good reading. And I think now we have some tangible ideas. You know, I don't like to just talk stuff. We like to come out of the reading with some actionable. So let's get one last message from our guides. Go forth and do it. Oh, since the holidays are coming up and, you know, whatever you may celebrate and this and that, make sure you get your alone time. Yeah, that's the last message. Make sure you get your alone time so that you can take forth and do the things you need to do to take advantage of the markets, to start reading about the economy, to start, you know, doing the healing work. I forgot that the hermit goes deep within. Actually, this is saying, yeah, you're going to have to carve out time to go and deep within to do that healing work, to heal the money, the limiting belief money story, the I messed up money story, the I don't understand the stock market money story, the this stuff isn't safe or crypto isn't real money story. You got to heal that first. Then you need to study, figure out the plan. Yeah, but you all with that pensive mind and the fast moving thinking, y'all also need to pick up a meditation mindfulness. You need to find a way to have some calm. And oddly enough, this moon card, like maybe the details of having your own self business really kind of stands out. Just something to think about. Okay, happy new moon, peeps. Enjoy the week. Digital Shaman, I'm out. Thank you for coming to the reading.